Now here's for the third quadrant, so we'll be covering the third and the fourth quadrant. Notice we're always identifying the right angle triangle, which also indicates that we're identifying the acute angle for every value of theta, the associated acute angle. So here we have theta always follows OP, and then we have alpha is this angle in here. So our trig ratios, tan is equal to y over x, and you can check these for yourself and see that they will give you a positive sign. So it's two negatives, one in the numerator and one in the denominator will give you a positive result. We have cosine ratio is x over r, which is negative, and sine is y over r, that's also negative. R is the radius or the vector OP. Which rotates through the angle theta. So our trig ratio sine theta will follow these signs is minus sine alpha cosine theta is minus cosine alpha, and tan theta is positive tan alpha. Now note that the difference between theta and alpha is 180 degrees. So that's it for quadrant 3, or the third quadrant. So this is the third quadrant, or quadrant 3. So here lastly we're going to look at the fourth quadrant. What we have is the sine ratio be y over r, the vector r, which is OP, and be negative. Cosine ratio is x over r, that's positive, and the tan ratio is y over x, that's negative. We're always tracking the right angle triangle OPQ, which gives us our associated acute angle for theta. And our trig ratios, sine theta is minus sine alpha cosine theta is positive alpha, and tan theta is negative minus tan alpha. Now this all happens where alpha add theta is 360 degrees. And to summarize all that we've done, we can just put it all in one set of quadrants. We have all S, sine, cosine and tan in this quadrant are all positive. Cosine is positive in the third quadrant. So in the fourth quadrant, so this is 1, 2, 3, fourth quadrant. Quadrant is positive for cosine. Tan in the third is positive, and sine in the second quadrant is positive. So all the results that we went through for the first, second, third and fourth quadrant can be summarized in this little diagram here. Let me just write it clearly somewhere here. First quadrant, all positive. Second quadrant, sine. Third quadrant, tan. And fourth quadrant, cosine, all positive here. And let's rewrite that alpha and theta is equal to 360 degrees. How do we find the value of any trig ratio of any angle? Well, first we need the quadrant rule, and this is what it refers to, knowing which of the trig ratios are positive and in which quadrant they're positive. We need the value of alpha and its associated. So we need the value alpha, which is the associated acute angle. So with those two things, we can find the value of any trig ratio of any angle. Thanks for watching these videos. My name is Alistair, and I'll see you on the next series of videos. Bye for now.